Mark Holmes now, and we are in front of Slaps. And I got the crew out here.
They have automatic. Look at this one.
Yeah, bro. Look, this is how we know we are in a barbecue spot. Like, look at this. Wow. This is what I need. Like, I need rust. I need like smoke. You see the smoke coming out at the top? Like, yeah, this is what I need right here.
Lunar glare.
Look at that. It's called Old Hickory right there. Old Hickory. Look, you see the wood right there?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we're in the right spot, man. What you think?
Man, I would love to get a tour of the inside of the place.
So we gonna do this live. We gonna do this live mukbang.
Oh, rotisserie, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
I'm saying because Old Hickory, that makes sense.
Yeah. Man.
So you been
wait, he just opened one.
Oh yeah.
Uh-oh. He just, Question. Man, I'd love to get a tour.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
So, wait a minute.
Oh, can I come too?
Okay. Hey.
Oh, we getting a tour.
We're getting the grand tour.
I actually just put ribs on.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. Just put these on.
How long do you smoke it for?
So these will go for about 2 hours unwrapped with the seasoning on them, and then we'll wrap them up in full halfway through, and finish them. Put them back on to finish off.
Now is it all wood or is it like?
Yeah. I'm actually getting ready to throw some wood on.
Oh man, we're getting a tour here. Okay.
Oh yeah, somebody got to stay in line. Who be all stay there?
I'll say one of y'all gotta get in line.
Yeah.
Got a burner that kicks on. Just heard it kick on.
Oh man, look.
Yeah. It's definitely a set it and
Here
forget
you
it
go,
type
man.
thing.
I'm gonna say,
Going in there.
you grab it? Yeah.
All right, so you'll just put in a couple logs. So a couple logs will end up giving it plenty of smoke for hours.
Absolutely. Right? 2 logs on this will run our smokers all night.
And what's your name, my man?
Sam.
Sam.
I'm one of the pit masters here.
But I'm going to tell you that my man right here has been bugging the crap out of me about having barbecue.
Yeah.
Okay, we came 1,100 miles for this barbecue.
What part are you guys from? Texas or
Virginia?
Virginia. Okay.
You're looking like Cowboy fans from Virginia. No, so to make sure before we hit the road, we're going to get the best barbecue.
Yes.
And that's what everybody told us now.
100%.
You guarantee it?
I will bet my life on it.
Okay. All right. You heard
So
that.
good it make you want to slap your mama?
Yes, sir.
Oh, snap. We're getting barbecue. All right. Thank you very much, man.
Absolutely.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
I
I
can
say
smell.
we're known for
Mark is just bullying David. But David does want that barbecue real bad. But look, guys, I didn't get a chance to ask you, what are you guys looking for today in the draft? I'm interviewing you guys.
Oh yeah, I know you.
Yeah, what are you guys looking for
I'm
in the
looking for a
draft?
time machine to go back to the first round.
No. Listen, man, we need to get, I don't know, man. I think we need to get an offensive guard or a tackle. I think we
Somebody
need.
that can actually compete. You know? So, I mean, it's gonna be hard.
Outside of that, I think we need a running back.
Yeah.
Not
I would be
Zeke.
okay with the running back.
Come on, Zeke, we need you back. I think we need you back.
So yeah, I mean that.
You know what? And I want to know what quarterback they're going to go after. We're all talking Aiden O'Connell.
Maybe that'd be probably an unrestricted guy.
Clayton Tune. Nah, he's going to go. So we'll see how serious they are about drafting a young quarterback. So
I could see the corner as well. I mean, they always try to throw a corner in there to see what they got development-wise, so I could see that myself. So yeah.
Gotcha.
Is that the Wagyu beef?
oh yeah.
Pork
He
rib.
was drafted.
Much bigger than that.
It's real big.
Oh yeah. I don't know.
Rib.
I don't know.
I like the rib. That's not food. It's gonna be for here, man. So how much is the Wagyu rib?
So one bone and 2 sides is $33.95, and then the full slab is $89.99.
One rib is $33. Could I just have the bone?
Two sides.
One bone with two sides? No. How much is one bone with two sides? 33.95. Okay. I'll get what he had.
Do a full sampler.
Full sampler.
And then which sausage? Polish or jalapeno cheddar?
Polish.
Third.
Still $33 for one rib.
Yes, sir.
How about half a rib? How about a taste? How about I just lick your fingers? How much lick your fingers? Come on, let me lick his fingers. He's like, get this guy out of here.
Do a full sampler.
You don't get the full sampler, y'all. Oh, yeah.
The sampler, but you have to get right in. That's all right.
This is gonna be food company.
You get 2 large sides on that.
Okay, you have do the mac and cheese and
I'm gonna
let
have
me
the
get
sampler
some baked beans.
with a side of burnt ends.
You want to have the ribs?
No, thank you.
And which sausage?
The jalapeno. He wasn't playing. He wasn't having it. Where's he get all that?